Are you feeling stuck in your business as if you can't move forward, have hit a wall, or financially are just not where you want to be? Well, it's time to stop focusing on the dwindling bank account and start getting laser-like focused on 4 key things that enhance your business and your bank account quickly. And I'm going to discuss those today in this video. Hello, Alexa Saarenoja here, and welcome to my channel where I provide you with tons of tips and techniques for living your most successful life ASAP. If that sounds good to you, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified every week when I post a new video. My business was struggling financially until I learned these 4 keys for building and sustaining a successful business. Now I no longer stress about money and focus solely on building my passion. Let's learn those 4 keys now. Key number 1 is to invest in yourself. The first thing for growing your business or your career in order to profit financially is to invest in yourself. You must invest in yourself. You must constantly feed your mind and grow and learn more things. Become better and better at what you do, what you know, how you show up, and the value that you provide to others in this world. And I'm not talking solely about paid education. I'm not referring only to the process of getting a bachelor's degree or a master's degree and following that path to success. I'm talking about taking advantage of the numerous ways you can self-educate yourself to grow beyond who you are today. You can listen to podcasts. You can listen to YouTube videos. You can read books from the library for free or online. You can read magazines, autobiographies. You can take free online courses even. You can practice skills over and over and over again until you master them. The only price you pay is your time and energy. And what does that do for you? It makes you more valuable with regards to what you can offer in the workplace or for your own business. Increase your value of what you can provide to others. So number 1 is invest in yourself. Key number 2 is to provide value, higher value, because higher value equals higher compensation in life. You are paid based on the level of value that you provide to others, to society, to the world. A janitor, for example, is paid less than a neurosurgeon because saving someone's life is more valuable than sitting on a clean toilet. And it also takes a lot more skill, practice, education, and confidence to do neurosurgery than it does to clean toilets. Your pay, your compensation, your benefits in life are directly proportionate to the level of value you provide to your clients, customers, employers, and the like. You can think about it this way. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger your paycheck. Which brings me to key number 3. Focus on them, not you. Focus on creating value for others. Think about it this way. We all know the type of person, and you might be one of them if you're in a job you don't like, but the type of person who shows up to their job and does the bare minimum or even less because they are in the mindset of, what can this job do for me? What can I take from it rather than what can I give to it? How can I serve? It's more me focused. For example, they don't pay me enough. They don't value me enough. They don't do this or that enough. And so they show up providing minimal value back to that company, right? But if, and this will propel you towards success whether you are an entrepreneur or employee, if you show up with the mindset of how can I serve my clients, my customers, my employer better, how can I provide the most value while I'm here for the next 8 to 10 hours, you will get noticed. You will get attention, good attention. You will get raises, you will get promotions. You potentially could be kept during layoffs. You will move up in life and be rewarded financially for that value that you are providing. Think about any interaction you have had with a company that made you feel like you mattered, took the time out to understand your problem and find a solution for you. The company, the person, the product, whatever added value to your life, you were willing to pay more for that value, right? You will gladly give your money over to someone or something that enhances your life by providing you with more value than you currently have. It's common sense, but not common practice, and that's why I want to call it to your attention today. Okay, let's move on to key number 4. Key number 4, innovate often. Constant and consistent innovation is key. Being able to innovate, and this is actually related to key number 1, remember, which was to invest in your mind. And the reason why this is so important for growing a business or moving up the ladder in your career is because you will show up with more knowledge. And with more knowledge, you can be more innovative, more awareness, more skills. All of this leads to your ability to ask and follow through more clearly on bigger questions and create bigger value. And you can do this by starting to ask questions like, how can I make this better for you? How can I make this better for the client, for the customer? How can I make this product better, this service better? Because it's one thing to do something well, but that will only sell so much product or services for so long. Because let's face it, life is always changing. And those of us that are willing to change with it, look for ways to continually grow and innovate ourselves and our products and the value that we provide to others. This attitude, this mindset of constant and consistent innovation will sustain your sales year after year. It will sustain your wealth over time rather than have it be a one-time hit or a one-time wonder that eventually fails. So tip number 4 or key number 4 for creating and sustaining wealth via your business or your career is the ability to innovate. And that's it. Those are my 4 recommendations for creating and sustaining a financially stable business. Number 1 is to invest in yourself. Number 2 is to create value. Number 3 is to focus on them, not you. And number 4 is to innovate often. I wish you the best with implementing these ideas to improve your business and wealth. And hey, if you desire to take your personal success to the next level, to go the distance and really step into your best self, I definitely recommend heading over to my website and checking out the Takeover Make Me Over online course I have created for radically transforming your life from zero to hero. It's intense, extremely thorough, and provides you with a highly detailed step-by-step process for obtaining and living your ultimate life with confidence. If you have ever found yourself wondering, isn't there more to life than this, or feeling this way? Oh, heck yeah, there is, baby. It's time to sign up, learn, grow, take action, and watch your life transform dramatically. I'll place a link in the description below for those of you that are interested. Well, if you like this video, hit the like button, be sure to subscribe, and or share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with more great tools for living a successful and fulfilling life. Bye for now.